Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this item is currently being modified. Please try again later. So guys, if you're trying to install an app in your app store but you're facing this problem and you are unable to install the app, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you install this app in your device. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings in your device. So guys, simply open settings in your device and from here scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it. So guys, update the device and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply wait for some time. So guys, you have to simply wait for some time because the app is being modified by the developers. So guys, after it is modified then you will be able to install the app without any problem. So guys, once the app is modified then you will be able to install it very easily. So guys, wait for some time and after this try to install the app again, and hopefully this time you will be able to install it very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.